black and white rainbow. She wants to paint so. The winter is coming soon. The oceans are fading blue. We don't have to hide your plane.
Look guys, so these are the works ng mga fourth year. So cool. I have this. Pinili ko sa Spaces and Objects. As there are so many plates. Like, hello. Sana fourth year na ako. Over.
Ano pwede pa naglagay ng ganito?
Nga. Parang ganda yung sa Spaces and Objects na gusto mo. Ito naman sa fourth year din to, may bagong exhibit sila. Scale model. Parang, yeah. Ang galing na to. Alam mo, na-excite ako mag fourth year.
Smiley.
Dahil dito. Ewan ko, parang ang fun lang. Here's another exhibit. Pero like, for architecture siya. Pero it's kind of the same kasi mga interior din naman.
Poet.
Like this. And that. This is a scale model of CCP. Here's more scale models of these works. Hey guys! Hala, ang ganda! We're gonna eat pancit canton behind sa Jollibee sa may Binaban. Kasi wala na kami pera guys. That's our tipid tips is magpancit canton tayo. Or 7-Eleven. So, isang chili boat, chili mansikat sa kalamansi. Magkano sama?
Dalawang kalaman.
Pero pagkawag ka lang. Sa Winner Works Day, function meets
Hi.
tapos
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Saan kayo?
Yung tuwing sa ano na yan, di ba? Sa aesthetic book.
Naging pioneer sila ng skyscrapers. The 16 to 20 floors only. Still with Zaha Hadid, let us talk about what would Zaha Hadid do if we catapult her to the year 3000. Then we enter into neo-futurism, which is basically with all. Okay, bring out the same 1/4 sheet, please. Score to beat 20 over 20.
Bro. Hey guys, we just finished 1 lecture and 2 quizzes. And okay naman yung grades ko, so I already changed into my pat fit uniform. Last class is on the 6th pat fit. We're gonna run like 2 laps sa field, so bye. Hey guys, I am going sa 7-Eleven kasi wala pa akong kain. Tapos, puyat din ako, diba? So, ayun. Baka may matay na ako sa so,
progress break, tuloy-tuloy pa rin gagawin nyo. Yung dead na market, yung finals pa lang natin.
언제까지라도 함께하는 거야.
Tumigil lahat.
다시 만난 우리의 Ano to? Ano to? Earthquake drill? Ito ba? Earthquake drill? It's so hot. Bruh.
So ano to? It's like 8:30 in the
Ang
morning.
init. Hindi na,
Sama kami. Ay,
hindi na para mag-init ah.
8:30. You said dark.
Ang darker.
Super hot.
Oh, ito. May darker ka pa.
Shiga. Hey guys, punta kami sa print. Tapos nag-order na ako ng food ko. So, naantok na ako. I'm so tired.
Pwede mo mo.
Sige na, go. Ladies first.
I'm done. I did this sa house. I did this right now. Mga 2 hours. By Wednesday. I'm here sa dorm ni Moira. Gagawa kami ng scale model namin na due sa Tuesday. So, ayun. Wala talaga akong pasok today kasi it's a Thursday. Kapag Thursday, wala kaming pasok kasi 9 p.m. yung Wednesday. So, pero technically, parang pang plates pa rin yung Thursday namin kasi yun lang yung wala kaming pasok. They're cooking tuna pasta.
Wow! Basa!
Oh! We're at Moira's dorm. This is what I got from Unica High Pressure Laminates. Yeah, these are wood laminates. And then you can use these sa mga swatchboard kasi wala sa mga project mo. Hey guys, it is 9:30 something. Pinagkuhugas, may alas. We're gonna go to McDo because we're hungry. Ayan. May class pa kami tomorrow, so see you.
Moy! Moy! Moy!
Hoy, nabasa tayo.
Moy?
Ang chinelas lalabas ko.
Yun. Hey guys, it is 6:30 in the morning and I have 7 a.m. classes and I need to go commute back. So, good luck to me. Quiz pa naman yun sa Theo. Though, whatever, pero it's still a quiz. But, yeah, very chill lang yung day today. Though may 2 quizzes ako, pero it's Gen Ed, so
God!
Oh.
Ayoko, paano ngayon? Kasi pag-afford ko,
Pero ako ano bukas drawing class. May shot din sa'yo, baka sa workshop.
Nag-workshop.
Sa ano, workshop sa outside, sa cafe.
Waiting for our prof. Wala pa siya.
Kasi drawing ng ano,
Ng test namin. Kasi down yung pan.
Wala. Like realistic.
1:20 na. Scale.
Hey guys, we're at now. I'm eating sisig. Ikaw rin? Ano to? Ano to? Ito? Long bread?
And you're the prize tag. Prize tag. Hey, 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 hey. Won't you come see about me? I'll be alone. Dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me your troubles and ask. Buntis ba si Marian?
Oh, like to replace it na lang. So, 29.
As Marian. Ayun na siya nung comment niya dun sa pag-ibig ni Karay. Eh kasi, ako siya, na parang siya nanginis, pwede niya naman sabihin na
Wait lang. Position. Ayun o. Chest na urong na pag ano.
Wait lang, wala pa talaga. Oh, ano?
Which is silent.
Ayan, babago. Siri? Tapos next, tumatawa tayo. Ang hirap! Kiss pero nakanganga si Moira.
Hoy!
Oh my God! That's such a workout, guys.
I'm buying that one for Mother's Day. Ang cute pala nito. Hala. Ba yan? Papa, she's making IDR. Nakakainis. Nauna siya. Nagawa na yung akin, so I can't do it again. Hey guys, I'm at Moira's dorm again. Because we're gonna continue yung ginawa namin nung Thursday. We need to finish it now. So yeah, I ordered food sa 7-Eleven. Kasi pa ako na did breakfast. Hey guys. This is what I did. And this is what I'm doing.
Submit like na lang.
Ang pangit daw, Moira. Hey guys, we're done. So, bala yung stuff ko. Pero I forgot my charger kasi, so binalikan ko. Tapos, just gonna go grab. Pauwi. Bye. Alam mo, nag-vlog ako, pero nung, di ba, kailan Moira tayo? Nag-vlog ako noon, like yung week na yun. Tapos di ako nakapag-vlog sa bahay ni Moira.
Kasi nakatulog.
Kasi nakatulog ako.
Nakatulog. Ay, nakatulog.
Tulog?
Bakit kasi baliktad yung hawak mo? Bakit pa ganyan?
Sorry. Hindi yan. Pero tapos naman na yung vlog there, so... Asan si Shamira?
Wala na, nakauwi na.
dinisconnect ko,
Wala
to,
bang
hindi na ako
sound
madi-disconnect. Sa akin. Pag dinisconnect ko dito, hindi na ako makaka-connect mamaya.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi ko dala yung case. Get.
Hi guys. It's again, March 11. It's March 11, Monday, and yeah, wala kang tulog. Like, as in, wala kang tulog. Tinapos ko yung walls namin. And then I'm gonna go to school kasi assemble namin to. So I'm gonna paint the walls. Pero I'm gonna take the Grab na lang kasi feel ko babagsak talaga ako pag nag-commute ako. So, yeah. Bye.
Pati na mo Lucas. Ano ko? Yun yung point. Parang picture yung point ha. Di ba?
I'm here sa workshop.
Dapat parang one, two, mabilis, tas one, two, mabilis.
Heads up po para sa mga motorista natin. Nag-anunsyo ang DOE ng price hike sa gasolina at diesel simula ngayong araw. Tataas ng 1 peso and 21 centavos kada litro ang gasolina.
Hey guys, I just finished my first skis for the day. We have 2 skis today. Kanina, we did as-built plan, furniture plan, floor pattern, ceiling plan, tsaka elevation, pati perspective. Later mag-render kami. Dalawa tayo. Yeah, I'm gonna review for my next exam, history.
Most Alice in Wonderland approach that you went through a hole. Parang you're literally parang transporting yourself to another. Parang it becomes a liminal divider between two spaces that you can walk around naman. It would be nice sana if this felt more playful.
Yay! Stop it, guys. Guys.
Parang transforming. This is our
Yay, we're done.
EP4.
Bye.
And our history
My
of
HID
interior
tour.
design.
Hey guys, it's gonna be a very hectic and stressful day for me. Kasi pasahan ng requirements and hindi pa ako tapos sa isa kong plate na due sa 1 p.m. So, come with me as I stress myself again. And wala na naman akong tulog. Bye. Oh no! It's a skin Delix in time. Oh. Teka. Second submission.
Wala pa akong yan.
The first
Second
page.
page. Title lang.
Ay, kailangan ako colored pencil. Hindi, gusto ko lang mas gumagana ng utak ko.
Dito ka na rin kung ano ka dito.
Well, I'm finishing my plate ng due ng 1 p.m. and it's 10 a.m. We're sa Haggard. That's
So, but, ay, ang ganda mo. Sure.
whatever.
Wow. Oh my God.
Guys, we're done. We're not good, but like, we're proud of it. Are we?
You are proud of it. I'm not proud of it.
Sakto lang.
Okay lang.
Sakto lang.
Ema lang.
Depende sa mood ko.
Basta makapasa.
Yeah. This is our last submission for the day. Then meron kami tomorrow. But yeah. At least I'm done. At least we're done. Kasi super dami naming pendings these past few days. And now, we're almost done.
Girl Paris, sana
Ayan, iiyak na din sila.
Hey guys, we're done with our last exam for freshie year.
Wala